Welcome to our lecture on What is Computer Science? In this lecture, we will cover the definition, key concepts, major fields, and roles of computer science. Definition of computer science. Computer science is the study of computers, computation, and information processing systems. It involves the development and application of algorithms, programming languages, software engineering, and computer hardware design. Key concepts in computer science. There are several key concepts in computer science that you should be familiar with. These include algorithms, data structures, programming languages, and operating systems. Major fields of computer science. Computer science is a diverse field with many different areas of focus. Some of the major fields of computer science include artificial intelligence, creating intelligent machines and software. Computer graphics, creating and manipulating visual content on computers. Computer networks, connecting computers and other devices to share information and resources. Databases, storing and retrieving large amounts of data efficiently. Human-computer interaction, designing systems that people can interact with easily. Software engineering, developing and maintaining software applications. Roles and responsibilities of computer scientists. Computer scientists play a variety of roles in many different industries. Some of the common roles and responsibilities of computer scientists include research and development, creating new technologies and improving existing ones, systems analysis, analyzing business needs and recommending appropriate technology solutions, software design and programming, creating software applications and systems, network administration, managing computer networks, database administration, managing large amounts of data in databases, cybersecurity, protecting computer systems and networks from attacks. In this lecture, we have covered the definition, key concepts, major fields, and roles of computer science. Computer science is a fascinating field that offers many opportunities for people who are interested in solving problems and working with technology. We hope you have gained a better understanding of what computer science is and what it involves. Thank you for watching.